Mecca Beauty Loop hack time. If you want to check the availability of your Mecca Beauty Loop box in store, then you can check it like this. Go to Mecca Beauty's Instagram account and click on the link in the bio. There you will get all the posts that Mecca Beauty have posted. You select the post where they've announced the beauty loop. For example, here I'm gonna click on the beautiful lady who had announced the beauty loop 3 bonus box. So I clicked on that and it will take you to this landing page where you can see that level 3 your beauty loop has arrived. You can redeem it in store or online. These are your options. So if you keep scrolling through that page, right at the bottom you'll see that they say you have until so and so date to redeem or until stock last, and you can check in store stock. Click on that button and it'll take you to a list of all the stores in Australia and New Zealand, and you can select your store. If first of all you can select your state, and then you can see if your favorite store or nearby store has got that in stock. So as you can see, Glow Recipe is flying off the shelves. It's all out of stock in most places where it's limited stock, or if you want to go with Sol de Janeiro, Laura Mercier, whatever option you're after, if your favorite store has got that in stock or not. So you can check that beforehand, and then if you click on the link of the store that you think that you're going to buy it from, you get the number of that store and you can call and confirm that this is correct. Same goes for New Zealand stores as well. This helps to avoid disappointment in store. Follow for more.